Hola a todos, ¿cómo estás? ¿Cómo estáis? ¿Estamos bien? So today we're going to be looking at, well, this evening we're going to be looking at the verb ir, which means to go. So we've got another conjugation coming up linking to talking about where in the town we're going. So if someone says to you, ¿A dónde vas? Where are you going? We can say, oh, we're going here. So our verb ir, it's very, very irregular, so it doesn't follow a usual pattern. So we just need to learn it off by heart. So we've got our boy, which is I go. Notice my pronunciation. I'm not pronouncing as a voy sound. It's a boy sound. So boy, I go. Vas, you go, talking to one person. Ba, he or she goes. But also remember, we use this ba when we're talking to one person, the usted form, when we're being polite, when we don't really know them that well. So ba. Then we've got vamos, we go. We got vais, which is you talking to a group of people, go. And then we got van, which is they go. So remember also that is the form we use for when we're talking to a group of people with the ustedes form, which is you talking to a group of people, but a group of people that we don't know very well. So van would use that form. So we got boy, vas, ba, vamos, vais, van. Voy, vas, va, vamos, vais, van. So let's look at this in an example. So I've used the example ir a una fiesta, which is to go to a party. So on the left-hand side, you'll see what we call our subject pronouns, which is the I, you, he, she, we. That's the person that's doing the action. So yo, tú, él, ella. Remember, we don't need in Spanish to include those subject pronouns. We don't need them at all. We can include them if we want to be emphatic with what we're saying, but we don't have to include them. So to put this in a context, looking at ir a una fiesta, we'd say voy a una fiesta. I go. Now to say to, we say a, voy a. I go to a party. So voy a una fiesta. Vas a una fiesta. So you go to a party, talking to one person. Then we've got va a una fiesta, he or she goes to a party, or we can use that if we're talking to one person that we don't know very well, the usted form, we'd use va a una fiesta also. Then we've got vamos a una fiesta, we go to a party. Vais a una fiesta, you, talking to a group of people, so with the plural form, more than one. Vais a una fiesta, you go to a party. And then lastly, we've got van a una fiesta, which is they go to a party. But also remember, that's the form that you would use to talk to a group of people if you don't know them very well and you're being polite. And we would use that as the ustedes form, which means you, but talking to a group of people quite formally. So, voy a una fiesta, vas a una fiesta, va a una fiesta, vamos a una fiesta, vais a una fiesta, van a una fiesta.